Over the past year, I've helped over 1,000 students land their dream job in AI engineering. And in this video, I'm going to break down the full tier list of AI projects so that you know which ones will actually get you hired. So pay close attention and make the video full screen because some of the rankings might surprise you. So a lot of people build ChatGPT wrappers and feel proud of it, but let's be honest, it's the most dunked on AI project for a reason. It's like the fast food of AI projects. Quick, cheap, but doesn't really pay off. Just slapping an API call and then putting a UI on it is not anything groundbreaking. But like all things, there is some nuance here. Some people joke that ChatGPT and OpenAI are just wrappers on top of NVIDIA's GPUs. The lesson here is that everything in software, tech, AI is built on top of something else. And there's nothing wrong with that as long as you're adding genuine value, adding something new. This could be RAG or retrieval augmented generation or fine tuning, which I'll break down later in this video. Anyways, in case you're wondering, here's how to build the project. First, pick your favorite LLM. This could be ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever. 2, build a UI. This could be a Flask web app or a bot in Discord. And 3, if you want to go beyond wrapper status, add fine-tuning or RAG, which we'll break down later in the video. The final verdict is C tier. It's not a portfolio centerpiece, but it's not the worst project. In this project, you'll build a neural network that can classify images of handwritten digits into the right category. It gets a lot of hate for being basic, but honestly, it's great for learning. If you don't understand neural networks from scratch, well then you're just throwing libraries at problems. So you've got to build this project at some point in your career. It builds the core fundamentals of AI/ML, but for recruiters, this project is old news. They've seen MNIST on resumes a million times, so the second they see it on a resume these days, they just skim over it. And a hiring manager definitely won't give you an offer based on this project alone. In case you're wondering, here's how to build it. First, use a library like NumPy in Python to implement the forward pass and backward pass of the network. Don't worry if you're not familiar with those yet. Next, train your model on a dataset like MNIST, which again consists of handwritten digits. And 3, assess your accuracy and see if your model learned anything. Final verdict, B tier. It's impressive for learning, just not for hiring. Let me just say it, these are horrible projects, absolutely garbage. Horoscope prediction? Astrology isn't real, AI can't predict the future. Gender prediction by name? That's just a dictionary lookup. These aren't real AI problems, they're just gimmicks, and if anyone says to build these projects, just run. Final verdict, straight to the trash, F tier. Now we're talking. This is one of the best projects that you can build because it's end-to-end, full stack. First, it teaches data prep. You'll need to actually load in a dataset to fine-tune the model. 2, it uses industry standard libraries, so you get up to speed on the tools and frameworks that you need to be familiar with to get hired. And 3, there are endless applications. Customer support bots, coding tutors, an AI doctor, an AI lawyer. The applications are endless. In case you're wondering how to fine-tune or customize an LLM, here's how. First, pick a base open source model. A great option is the Llama model from Meta. Second, gather a dataset. This could be public data, scraped conversations, customer support logs, anything. Next, use techniques like LoRa and quantization to avoid using an expensive GPU. We won't need that for this project. And if you're not familiar with LoRa or quantization, don't worry, they're super easy to pick up. In fact, Google Colab, a free web app, will have a free GPU that you can use for this project. Lastly, train the model on a sufficient number of iterations and evaluate the performance. This is an A tier project. It's impressive for learning and hiring, and the real world relevance is there. This is a classic project in NLP, or natural language processing, the field of AI that tries to teach computers to read and write. It's great for understanding the foundational concepts of NLP, but it's very overdone. Just like the MNIST project, recruiters have seen this on resumes a million times. But if you're going to do it, there are a couple ways that you can make it more interesting. You could try sarcasm detection, which is a lot harder. Or you could add more applied value by fine-tuning on, say, customer support logs. Final verdict is the B tier. It's great for learning, but again, way too common to really stand out. Okay, this is a seriously advanced project, combines vision and language, so it's a true multimodal model. This is obviously a rapidly growing area of AI, and it's highly valued. Here are some challenges that you'll face with this project. First, you're going to be dealing with both images and text, so there will be a lot of pre-processing. Next, the actual models can get complex. CNNs, or convolutional networks, transformers, this project can get a bit tricky. And third, the training needs to go on for many epochs and iterations. But the good news is that it's still totally manageable, and especially with the power of consistency, putting in 30 minutes to an hour every day, you can probably build this project in a week. If you build this project, you will level up fast. Final verdict, A tier. This project is complex, unique, and super high ROI. Alright, this project is the final and ultimate flex. I recently talked to Boris Minardis, a top AI researcher, and we both agreed that this project is gold. It will teach you more than 5 surface level projects. This project involves reading a research paper, an AI paper, and converting the ideas into working code. A great example is implementing the paper Attention is All You Need. It's a 2017 paper from Google that introduced the transformer, the model behind every modern day LLM. This is the project that takes you from a hobbyist to an elite engineer. Here's how to build it. First, pick a paper. Start with something well documented like transformers. Second, break it into the components: data pipeline, architecture, training. Third, implement it without relying on any high-level libraries. We want to do this from scratch using our favorite library, PyTorch. Final verdict, S tier. This is an elite level project. It shows true confidence and mastery. Alright, if you want help speeding up this entire process in building the S tier and A tier projects, I invite you to our AI Engineering Accelerator. It's at the link in the description, and we've helped thousands of students land their dream job in AI engineering. We even have a full money-back guarantee. I've never seen anything like this before. It's at the link in the description if you want to learn more. Next, if you're looking for even more AI projects, check out this video where I go over some projects that you may have never even heard of before. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.